Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto A1, where you subscribe for video updates on everything going on in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and crypto never sleep, and neither do we. We are back today with another daily market update. We will be covering Bitcoin, Decentraland, Bored Ape, NFTs, eBay, regulations, and more. Before we get going, be sure to like this video if you haven't already, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And subscribe with notifications on for more crypto-related videos like this one. Over the past week, Bitcoin's performance has not been as good as that of BitGert. The price of the coin dropped to trade below $40,000, which was one of the lowest Bitcoin prices that most people did not anticipate for the month of March. Whale Alert, a popular cryptocurrency tracking service, has detected 3 crypto transactions that carried large amounts of BTC. A number of tweets published by the platform indicate that several substantial Bitcoin lumps, each weighing close to 10,000 BTC, have been withdrawn from Coinbase, a publicly traded US crypto exchange. An estimated $1.17 billion of cryptos has been transferred to anonymous wallets. The supply shock is just around the corner, and people don't seem to understand it. This is what's happening. BTC has been drained from exchanges since the beginning of the year. We're looking at Coinbase here, and interestingly, Coinbase has recently opened its services to institutional whale-grade clients in the past few years. It's for that reason I think Coinbase is experiencing so much drain, since it's one of the first places people in the Western world and Americans can go to buy Bitcoins, like Michael Saylor. On other exchanges, like Binance, we did see some money rushing back to Bitcoin, rushing back to exchanges near this top. But ultimately, Bitcoin continues to be drained from all exchanges over a long period of time. While prices might fall in the short term, do you really want to be on the lookout for a mega rally when the supply shock occurs? You most definitely don't if you're a Bitcoin or crypto believer. Nevertheless, crypto enthusiasts are quite optimistic that Bitcoin will hit the $100,000 mark by 2022. Bitcoin has also been the subject of a lot of news since El Salvador made it legal tender, which the IMF opposes. As regulations on cryptos take effect in many countries, Bitcoin may be among the most impacted. Next up is Decentraland. Decentraland is pleased to announce that Skechers has joined the platform. Let's find out more. Skechers, the third largest sneaker brand in the country, will create a virtual store in the metaverse. The American footwear company announced in a press release that it has leased the equivalent of 5,000 square feet of virtual land on Fashion Street Estate in Decentraland. Michael Greenberg, Skechers president, said the company was exploring creative ways to engage with new customers and audiences. The Skechers announcement is simply the latest among a long list of major companies pivoting to the digital world. This comes shortly after the American investment bank JP Morgan opened a virtual lounge in the popular virtual world last month. Metaverse was predicted to become a $1 trillion annual market at the time. Just to name a few, Samsung also opened a virtual store in Decentraland at the beginning of the year. While the markets are in the red right now, cryptocurrency projects are still getting built and integrated. If you're an investor, this is what you want to look for. You want the prices to be low, but you also want the company and the project to have strong fundamentals. This space has a bright future. Also, we get to see in real time the trials and tribulations and how the market works itself out. A case in point is the new KYC restricted project launched by Bored Ape Yacht Club. Registration is now open for the collaborative project between Yuga Labs and Animoca brands, but users must reveal their identities. The details are as follows. It was announced Thursday night that Bored Ape Yacht Club will collaborate with crypto game developer Animoca Brands on an upcoming game, but many users are hesitant to sign up. The reason is that users must undergo full Know Your Customer verification in order to register an Ethereum wallet. Among the requirements are a passport, national ID, a driver's license, along with various details such as family name, date of birth, and proof of address. The cryptocurrency community has reacted strongly to this move on Twitter, blasting Yuga Labs' KYC requirements. There is one tweet that goes like this: "Sad day will be the first and hopefully the last Bored Ape Yacht Club related thing that I'm going to skip. No KYC for me, thanks." Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts. Should you be KYC'd for buying a JPEG? NFTs do not seem to be slowing down, at least in terms of adoption. In the wake of the pandemic, Fashion Week calendars changed to reflect a digital-first initiative, while luxury brands had to shift their focus on how to maintain relationships with consumers online. The fall 2022 fashion season proved that, even after welcoming back its physical runway counterpart, the industry's appreciation for virtual reality continues to grow. In the Web3 era, luxury brands are finding new ways to market their products and are embracing their foray into the metaverse. According to a yearly report from industry tracker nonfungible.com, the value of all NFT transactions worldwide jumped 21,350% from $82.5 million in 2020 to $17.6 billion in 2021. In this era of blurring digital and physical boundaries, the virtual realm has taken on greater significance for luxury brands, with NFTs becoming their preferred choice for preserving their cultural relevance. Brands in the 4 top cities, from Diesel to Eckhaus Lada, took advantage of this season's metaverse debut and amplified their physical collections. Last March 12th, popular denim brand Diesel introduced its first NFTs. Unwearable is the latest fashion brand to launch a collection of NFTs. Also in the news, eBay shows investors digital wallets as it explores other payment options, including crypto. The e-commerce website began selling NFTs in 2021 last year. It seems they're saying they're ready to dip their toes even deeper today. Basically, they're saying, we're buying and selling NFTs on eBay right now, and next, we'll be integrating a digital wallet like Bitcoin wallet, like an Ethereum wallet. It's great to see the trend continuing. Speaking of continuation from the cryptocurrency trend, regulations are bound to get better. Crypto capital gains landscape in the United States could be altered through a bill from Bitcoin Senator Loomis. Tyler Lindholm, Loomis's state policy director, explained to the Decrypt Daily podcast that the Responsible Financial Innovation Act, currently in draft form, is meant to provide clarity to the crypto industry and its users. Among its major goals is to offer guidance on capital gains from crypto mining, staking, and spending. What we're really looking at there is just integrating digital assets into the system of taxation, he said. Meanwhile, the SEC has rejected yet another set of spot market Bitcoin ETFs. They rejected NYDIG, a big one. They rejected Global X. There is still no sign the market will get a true spot Bitcoin ETF anytime soon. Of course, spot, as opposed to futures, is the best route to go, since customers can hold on to a real Bitcoin rather than trading it on paper. We will see this sooner or later. Finally, let's talk about Ukraine. If you follow our channel or read the news, you're familiar with the fact that Ukraine has collected millions of cryptocurrency donations. So, how are these donations being spent? I'm glad to say that the leadership in Ukraine has kept the cryptocurrency community not in the dark, but in the open. Crypto assets played a crucial role in facilitating funding flows to the armed forces in Ukraine. A big thank you to everyone who contributed to the Ukraine Crypto Fund. Every helmet and vest purchased with cryptocurrency donations is currently saving the lives of Ukrainian soldiers. Here is the itemized report. Over 5,000 bulletproof vests, nearly 500,000 packed lunches, 500 bulletproof vest plates, then you can see helmets, medicine, walkie-talkies, thermal, and optics. It is wonderful to see crypto making a strong impact. That's it for today. If you're still here, I bet you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be regularly posting finance videos that will help you grow abundantly, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.